The Madras High Court recently issued an order to ban registration of unauthorized plots to keep in check the exploitation of agricultural lands and water bodies. This is a welcome move for a city which has no urban planner and has a long history of encroachment into public land. But at the same time, there is a lot of apprehension amongst home buyers now on how to be sure before making an investment. Smitha tells us all you need to know.
Images from last year's floods still fresh in our minds. Houses submerged, people running to get to higher ground. Why? No planning at all. Encroachments have eaten into our city's lakes and marshes, which could act as natural flood mitigators. This High Court order is exactly what the city and the state needs to become more planned and have a better network of sewage and water management systems. The order states that plots which have not been authorized cannot be registered. Here is all that you need to know before buying land. You have to register with the Directorate of Town and Country Planning or the Chennai Metropolitan Development Authority and get the necessary approvals. Plot deeds which are sold or bought without this approval are invalid. Do a thorough research about the seller and get the document verified by a competent lawyer, making sure all statutory approvals from government agencies are in place. Now with the new order, no land marked as a water body or an agricultural land can be sold. This is definitely what the city needs, considering Chennai's poor network of stormwater drains, rainwater harvesting and drainage systems. Real estate consultants are applauding this step as now home buyers will be safeguarded. And also because reputed builders are also eyeing this sector now. Akshaya Builders and Casa Grande have already hopped onto the wagon. But what about those who've already purchased these unauthorized plots?
That's a pain area. I think yes, if people have already gone ahead and purchased unapproved plots knowingly or unknowingly, they will have to go back either to the DTCP, or if it's under the CMDA, they have to go back to the CMDA and look out and get this approved. I mean, that's something that they will have to approach the authority and find out a way.
This order will serve as a hit, especially for owners belonging to the lower and middle income groups. Experts are hoping to hear in the next court session that those without approvals will still be able to process land deals, but at the cost of a fine. However, this step will definitely serve as a slap on corrupt practices in the field. In Chennai with camera person Sukumar, Smitha TK for NDTV.